Scapula. The scapula is a flat bone. In outline, it forms an imperfect triangle having two surfaces: lateral surface, medial surface, three borders: cranial border, caudal border, dorsal border, three angles: ventral angle, cranial angle, caudal angle. The lateral surface is divided by the spine of the scapula into the supraspinous fossa and infraspinous fossa. The spine of the scapula extends from the dorsal border to the ventral angle. The spine ends with a acromion or hamate process. It's easily palpated in the living animal. The tuberosity of the spine of the scapula is present in all domestic mammals, with the exception of carnivores. Supraspinous fossa gives origin to the supraspinatus muscle. Infraspinous fossa gives origin to the infraspinatus muscle. Here is neck of the scapula. The cranial border forms the scapular notch at the level of the neck of the scapula. Dorsal border or vertebral border is near vertebral column. Scapular cartilage. The ventral angle carries the glenoid cavity for the articulation with the humerus. Cranial to the glenoid cavity is the supraglenoid tubercle. Supraglenoid tubercle is the largest tuberosity of the scapula. It gives origin to the biceps muscle. The medial side of supraglenoid tubercle is coracoid process. Coracobrachialis muscle arises from coracoid process. Medial surface. Subscapular fossa. Subscapularis muscle arises from the subscapular fossa. Two referent areas: facies strata. Serratus ventralis muscle arises from facies strata. In a dog, scapular cartilage is only a small band, roundish cranial angle. Absence of tuberosity of the spine. Infraglenoid tubercle in medial surface, distal of caudal border. In a cat, the acromion of the distal scapula has a hamate and suprahamate process. In a pig, absence of acromion, an eminent tuberosity of the spine. In ox, narrow supraspinous fossa, presence of acromion, presence of the tuberosity of the spine, presence of scapular cartilage. In horse, absence of acromion, eminent tuberosity of the spine. Scapular cartilage extends over the caudal angle and reaches the level of the withers.